Hello guys, how's it going? Alex Grampian here. I hope you're well today. And today we got a video on the Volkswagen Golf Mark 7. So this is how to reset the service light. Obviously you can do it manually. If you watch my other video you can find out how to do everything manually, nice and easy. But this one is in case you want to change, actually alter the dates and the mileage that you want the next service to be in, and for that you will need a diagnostic tool. And we've got the Topdon 800BT here, which is a really good tool. So as you know, if you press car you get all the information there. So if you go into the service, I've already reset it, and that's what you get when you reset it manually. But if you want to alter that and make sure the oil change service will change the mileage or the days that next one is due, you will have to use diagnostic tool, and it's nice and easy if you got this tool. So you go into the oil section, obviously make sure it's plugged in and the ignition is on, it's all connected. Let's connect into the unit now. Then we're going to select VW, press OK, and depending on what service you've done, you go to auto reset. And obviously for the inspection one, you will have to select the top one, oil reset. So you go into that function and you got adapting vehicle to fixed intervals or flexible service as well. So that's why you got all the choice that you get. Obviously if you want to change it to more miles you can set up manual as well, so there's plenty of functions. And to change the bottom one, the oil change service, you will have to go into engine oil service lamp, and you got automatic setting and manual one, and that's where you get to obviously change to whatever you want. So if you're on the manual one, obviously go in there and it will ask you to put everything in manually. It's in kilometers, but obviously work it out what it is in miles. And yeah, as soon as you put the values in there, you're going to reset everything on there and it'll be how you want it to be. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this. It's really nice and easy using that tool especially. It's straightforward. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, comment below and like the video. I'll see you soon. Bye.